I'm going to show you exactly how one of our clients generated over 6 grand in just 1 week. And if you got some brains, you should save this. The very first thing we did is we used a challenge funnel. It was a paid challenge, 8-week transformation, and the best transformation gets a prize. Number 2, it was a very clear offer and outcome. They knew exactly what they're going to get for 8 weeks, how it works, and the promise of the transformation was very simple. They're going to lose at least 10 to 15 pounds of body fat. Number 3 was the pre-launch. We didn't just come out the gate saying, hey, buy my thing. No, we gave away some things first. We gave away a program. We collected emails, which leads to the next part, email marketing. The reason email marketing works so well is because we filled the list with people that already wanted what we had because we gave away stuff for free. We were getting open rates of at least 50%, which is crazy. And number 5, scarcity. Most of the sales came in the last 2 days because we let people know that we're shutting the doors and we mean it. And then we threw in a little trick. 1 week later, we opened the doors for 24 hours only. So at the time of me making this video, it's probably well over 6K. If you can learn to implement some of these strategies in your next launch, I promise you, your coaching business will go through the roof. And if you want to know more about strategies like this, all you got to do is leave a little comment and I'll get back to you. Peace.